Data-driven businesses are not built using the newest AI tool. Strategy is the backbone to building a data-driven business. In this video, I'm going over the 6 building blocks of strategy. The first building block of strategy is alignment to business goals. Every data strategy should be aligned to the business's goals. The reason for this is that alignment allows for a higher level of buy-in, which increases the prioritization of data initiatives within the company. This is the most important building block and should be focused on first and foremost before any of the other building blocks. The second building block in a data strategy is the data analytics maturity. We measure this through a data analytics hierarchy, and this document allows you to understand where you are currently at and where you need to go to deliver on business goals. The reason for understanding your data maturity is to be able to create an incremental step plan to get from the current state of your data analytics environment to that future state. Understanding where you're at versus where you want to go allows you to create the pathway to get to that future state. Data architecture is the third building block of a data strategy. Data architecture for us is going to include the technology infrastructure and the data governance of your organization. When considering technology infrastructure, obviously there's hundreds of tools out there. What's important is finding tried and true tools that can deliver on the results that you're looking for your specific data initiatives. When it comes to data governance, what we're looking for is defining and communicating what data is available and what tools are available to your team, and then also considering the security of those tools to make sure that they are getting in the hands of the right people to use them, and also that we are following any regulations around the data that may be contained in those tools. The next building block for a data strategy is your data team. Obviously, nothing can get done in an organization without the people. What's important here is looking at what team members do you currently have versus what team members do you need to meet the initiatives that are going to be built. Depending on the type of work, these people can have a variety of titles, such as data analyst, data scientist, or data engineer. So it's important to understand what specific things you need and who is going to get those things done. The fifth building block for data strategy is project prioritization. This is often built using a roadmap. The idea behind this building block is we want to be able to prioritize our projects based on when they should get done and why they should get done. So for prioritization, we're looking at both the value they provide and the level of effort that they need to get done. The final building block is data culture. And although this is listed last, it is definitely not the least important of the building blocks. A proper data culture will help to build more buy-in with the stakeholders within a business, which in turn allows for better decision-making through the support of data initiatives. This eliminates intuition-only decision-making, which can often be full of biases and past experiences that may not carry over to future occurrences. So in order to implement a better data culture, you want to do things like communicating the value of projects that have been built, and you also want to provide training to business stakeholders so they know how to use the data tools that were built throughout the data strategy process. This is an ongoing building block that continues to be developed over time and should regularly be visited to make sure that it is, in fact, building up the data culture within your organization.